Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Sony A7RII battery is probably one of the most crucial components for any photographer relying on their Sony A7RII camera, ensuring you never miss that perfect shot due to a drained power source, especially during extended shoots or critical events where changing batteries is inconvenient or impossible, making a reliable and long-lasting battery an indispensable accessory for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Number 5. K&F Concept NP-FC100 Battery and Charger Kit. Never miss a moment with this 3-pack of high-capacity batteries. They provide extended shooting time, ensuring you can capture all your precious memories, whether you're on a journey or exploring the outdoors. Charge up to 3 batteries simultaneously with our upgraded LCD charger. Its smart screen shows the charging status at a glance, and it fully charges all 3 in about 6 hours. Remember to disconnect them once they're full to extend their lifespan. These batteries are fully decoded and compatible with a wide range of Sony cameras that use NP-FC100 batteries. They work seamlessly with models like the A7 series, Alpha 9, and many others, offering a reliable power solution. Our charger offers dual input options with both micro USB and Type-C ports. This means you can easily power it up using various sources like a wall charger, power bank, laptop, or car adapter, giving you flexibility wherever you are. Your camera's safety is our priority. This kit is CE FCC RoHS certified and built with multiple protection features, including overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, high temperature, and overcharging protection, ensuring safe and reliable use. What we like. If you need to shoot for extended periods without interruption, this triple battery pack with a 3-slot charger is your ideal companion. The LCD screen keeps you informed about charging status, ensuring you're always ready. If you're a vlogger or a traveler who can't afford to miss a shot, this set offers unparalleled convenience and power. What people say. Each battery performs very close to the original Sony NP-FC100 in real-world use. They hold charge well and discharge consistently without sudden drops in power. They communicate properly with the camera, and the battery percentage displays accurately. The upgraded LCD charger is one of the standout features of this kit. Clear digital display shows charging percentage. Dual charging slots allow you to charge 2 batteries at once. USB powered, making it easy to charge from wall adapters, power banks, or even a laptop. Both the batteries and charger feel solid and well made. The batteries slide into the camera securely without feeling loose or cheap. The charger housing is sturdy and compact, making it easy to travel with. Number 4. Wasabi Power NP-FW50 Camera Battery 2-Pack. Never miss a moment with this essential camera battery pack. Designed to keep you shooting longer, it's the perfect companion for your adventures. This battery is compatible with a wide range of Sony cameras, including popular models like the Alpha A6000 series and the A7 series. It ensures seamless integration with your existing gear. Featuring premium-grade A cells, it offers a reliable 7.2V, 1,300 mAh capacity for extended runtime. You can count on it for consistent power delivery. It works perfectly with your original Sony charger, making recharging simple and convenient. Always have a fresh battery ready to go. This pack includes 2 batteries, so you'll always have a backup. Keep one charged while you use the other, ensuring uninterrupted shooting. Enjoy peace of mind with a 3-year manufacturer warranty and dedicated US-based customer support. We're here to help if you need us. What we like. For those who prefer to stick with their original equipment but need extra power, this 2-pack is a great choice. It seamlessly integrates with your Sony charger and comes with a reassuring 3-year warranty. If you value reliability and a familiar charging setup, this option provides peace of mind for your shooting needs. What people say. They charge in the factory charger and work perfectly in my Sony cameras. Wasabi batteries for my Sony A6000 works very well for about $15 compadres to Sony for $58 or Watson for $25. Wasabi hold charge very well and are still working after more than a year of use. I can usually take 300 to 400 photos a day on one battery. These batteries are low cost and high quality and I'm very happy with them. Number 3. Artman NP-FW50 Battery 3-Pack and Charger. Introducing the Artman NP-FW50 Battery 3-pack and upgraded 3-slot charger, designed for your Sony cameras. These batteries are made to exact specifications, ensuring wide compatibility with many Sony Alpha and RX series cameras. Charge 3 batteries simultaneously with the intelligent LCD screen that clearly displays charging status for each one. With a 1,300 mAh capacity, these batteries provide up to 4 times longer shooting time, perfect for capturing every moment. Enjoy peace of mind with multiple protections including overcharge, overcurrent, and short-circuit prevention for safe operation. Charge them conveniently using micro USB or Type-C inputs with any standard USB 5V output, like power banks or laptops. What we like. If you're looking for maximum shooting time and convenience, this 3-pack with a 3-slot charger is perfect. The extra-large capacity batteries mean fewer interruptions and more content creation. If you're a content creator who spends long hours on location or on trips, this set ensures you have the power to keep going. What people say. Coming up to a year of use since purchase and they're still holding strongly. I've had photo shoots that lasted 6 to 8 hours where the camera was on and off throughout the day, and only had to change battery once. Charger also charges all 3 batteries at the same time, and stop charging individually once full. The charger works with my official Sony batteries also. This is a great buy. Number 2. K&F Concept NP-FZ100 Battery and Charger Set. Never miss a moment with our high-capacity 2,280 mAh batteries. They provide long-lasting and reliable power for your Sony cameras, ensuring you can shoot for longer without interruption. Designed for perfect compatibility, these batteries work flawlessly with a wide range of Sony camera models. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your gear is supported. Our intelligent dual-slot charger lets you power up 2 batteries simultaneously. With versatile Type-C and micro USB inputs, charging is convenient wherever you are. Your safety is our priority. This set features comprehensive protections against overcharging, high temperatures, and other electrical hazards, ensuring both your batteries and camera are protected. This complete backup kit includes everything you need: 2 high-capacity batteries, a dual-slot charger, and a charging cable. It's FCC CE RoHS certified for your confidence. What we like. For users who need a reliable backup and appreciate flexible charging options, this dual-slot charger set is a solid choice. The inclusion of Type-C input makes it easy to power up from various sources. If you're a photographer or videographer who values efficiency and modern charging convenience, this kit is designed for you. What people say. The batteries hold a charge exceptionally well and perform on par with the original Sony batteries in my camera. The dual-slot charger is compact and efficient, perfect for travel. It charges both batteries simultaneously and includes a USB-C port. The 2280 mAh capacity ensures that I have ample power to last through long shoots without constantly worrying about running out of juice. Number 1. K&F Concept NP-FW50 Battery and Charger Set. Never miss a moment with our 3-pack of NP-FW50 batteries. These 1,100 mAh batteries offer extended operating time and have no memory effect, perfect for all your adventures. Our battery and charger set is designed for a wide range of Sony Alpha and RX10 cameras. It ensures your camera is always ready to go. Charge up to 3 batteries at once with our upgraded 3-slot charger. The intelligent LCD screen clearly shows the charging status for each battery. Power up your batteries using various methods. With micro USB and Type-C ports, you can charge from a wall adapter, car, laptop, or power bank. Fully charge all 3 batteries in just 3 hours via the 5V 2.1A Type-C port. Multiple safety protections ensure your batteries are charged safely and reliably. Rest assured with our CFCC RoHS 3C certified batteries. They feature overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, and overcharging protection for safe use. What we like. If you need to quickly recharge multiple batteries for your camera, this 3-pack with a 3-slot charger is an excellent solution. It offers fast charging capabilities, getting you back to shooting in no time. If you're a busy creator or someone who often finds themselves with limited charging windows, this set maximizes your uptime. What people say. The batteries charge quickly, hold a solid charge, and work perfectly with my camera. Works great and charges quickly with a good brick. Perfect for my Sony Alpha 6400. Love that I can charge via USB-C. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.